Hey everyone, it's Miko1996, and today we are here with the Hizero, and we are going to be cleaning up some Christmas debris from the Christmas decorations that we just put away. I would like you to think about how you would have to clean up this mess at home before you could wash your floors. You would have to grab a broom and a dustpan to clean all this up, or your Swiffer, you could try to push it around, but then you'd still have to pick up the large particles. Or you would have to use your vacuum cleaner, which it may or may not have a brush roll that turns off. So all of this would just get back on your feet. As you can see, there's a lot of glitter and a whole bunch of large and small particles that you can see on the ground. So the cool thing with this Hizero is it separates the heavy debris from the liquid. So this stuff never goes into the dirty water, so you can just throw this away and have clean water, which I will show you right now. So you just take your Hizero, push it back like this. I'll turn it on. Look at that. All the glitter and mess is gone. We're going to go right through this right here. Look at that. Always come back over the clean area before you go to the dirty area. So right here, you see all that glitter? It's gone. Here's some large particles. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? So you can clean fast like this, but as you know, I go slow, so you can clean fast. Look, it's virtually dry as you go over it. So we're just cleaning this general area. There's a few more particles right here. Let's get these up against the wall. Look, clean right up against the wall. Spot right here. It fits right under the chair. And we have a nice clean floor in just a few seconds. I think that might be part of the floor. Alright, so let's take a look. Actually, before we do that, let's let it self-clean a little bit. So just leave it like this for a few seconds to allow the brush roll to self-clean itself. Alright, so it has self-cleaned itself. Now you can see this floor is completely spotless. In one sweep, it picks up all the dirt and the water and separates it. So right here, you're going to see this is all, look at that. This is all of your heavy particles. Look at that, the sand, the dirt. This is the pet hair. This is all of the glitter. And the tinsel and any particles that would be on the ground goes directly in this. So you can just take this disposable, biodegradable plastic dirt tray and throw it away. You can see right here, you just lift this out of the green tray, just like that. And there is all of the particles, and this is relatively clean and dry. So that is really nice. That is where all of the heavy particles go. Right there you can see the long hair and the long tinsel gets wrapped around this. So you just take this out and you clean this once a week if it gets really dirty. Right here, is where all of your dirty water is going to be. You can see we didn't use that much water cleaning up this area, but that is the little bit of water that we used to clean up that mess. So that is fantastic. You can clean a wide area with this in a quick amount of time using just a little bit of water. So I really hope you enjoyed this quick video with the Hizero. Please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.